New toy here. This thing is so cool. Watch what I can do with it. So clean off around the grill. It says you need one of those big blowers. 2, 3. Whoa, look at that. Get down in those grooves. Clean that dust off there. How about a floating plate? To your keyboard, clean that up. Clean your desktop. So check this out. This is like a turbo fan for in your pocket. You don't need that big old blower. You got to do some precise work, or you got to just do something in your car or any detail work, blow some dust off, anything. This is awesome. Check out what I can do with it. So it's got 3 speeds that you can select right here. The fan, 1, 2, 3. It's got a flashlight button here. The flashlight's right here, so you can use it in the dark. Great little meter here for your battery level. You get about 2.5 hours of use. You get these adapters, so if you want to hone it in, you just use that little guy. And then we got a second one that's a little wider, so you can get a little wider spread of air. But man, I love this thing. YOYOTO. That's the brand, and that's the fan.